So today we are here to launch the Bade Dilwala card, which is on the property of Country Club in Sri Lanka. I'm so happy that I got mine so soon, way before than everybody else. But as Sir said, that we all have to go there and experience. It looks like a really adventurous ride, and I'm really looking forward to go there. Also, I will be the face performing this year for the Country Club's 31st New Year Bash. Let's all have a great time and let's all be here. Thank
సో
you.
కంట్రీ క్లబ్ తో అసోసియేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Yes.
యప్.
I am so happy. Actually, I have to tell this thing that when I was a kid, I went to Country Club in Delhi because I'm from Delhi, and being there as a child and enjoying the whole place, and club culture there is extremely big. To feel the same experience and then come back here and perform is it's surreal for me, but I'm really happy and I'm looking forward to it.
ఎక్కువ అడ్వెంచర్స్ ఏమైనా చేస్తుంటారు ట్రావెలింగ్
Yeah, I am an adventurous person. I have always been an adrenaline, so I love adventure. So I am going to Sri Lanka to try it out.
బడే దిల్వాడే కార్డ్ ఫస్ట్ మీకే వచ్చింది, ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Chala happyగా ఉంది. I think that's the perk of being a part of the Country Club for me. But yeah, you all can also avail your cards as soon as possible because all our new members get an opportunity to have a special dinner on the 30th, even before the New Year. So I'm looking forward to that as well.
న్యూ ఇయర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఏంటంటే లైక్
New Year preparation starts there'll be a great performance, there'll be more of DJs and a lot of other events, food, beverages, everything I think will be offered to you by Country Club. So just have fun, come here with your whole family, friends, everyone and have a great time.
Okay, thank you.
And it is really an amazing concept. Going to Sri Lanka was a fantastic experience, and I want to share my experience. It was more like a picnic, and I was telling you, I am the luckiest person to be born in this planet because I was born on 2nd October back in the day, and I choose to be in Sri Lanka on that night because there was a special party thrown by Arvind Ati Silva, Sri Lankan cricket captain and World Cup winner, and I think it was definitely a momentous occasion so that people can visit all these beautiful places in Kandy, in whitewater rafting and in Colombo. And I'm sure, I think it will be a great eye-opener for a lot of people in the Country Club family within India and outside.
సార్ మీకు ఏం నచ్చింది సార్ శ్రీలంకలో స్పెషల్గా
I like the people actually. People are very soft, very nice, and our Indians are chala gauram. Although the economy is very bad, basically the rate is picking up. So any investment from India, like 1 rupee of Indian rupees is about 3.5 rupees of Sri Lanka. So also we feel, it works out very economically to a lot of people. So like the USP of the Country Club has been always value for money, and it is definitely going within the parameters of so many of the people. So the amount of response what we have got within the country is phenomenal. Even a lot of people have already started approaching how to visit and all that, because people, this is an industry. We have to guide it like a small child. We have to tell people, I have experienced it. I was there for 4 days and 5 nights, and I was able to see the best part of Colombo, the beaches, and visit Kandy, our properties there, the Buddha relics, and also I was able to do the white river rafting, which was one of the most fantastic experiences in my life. There was a movie called The Bridge on the River Kwai, but Google just చూస్తే మీరు, it was shot during the Second World War, Bridge on the River Kwai అని. అక్కడ there I took a special dive just to think of historic reasons, and I wanted to just showcase that particular location because it has a great historical significance, and it was really an amazing time what we had. And all these memories, I want people of the Country Club to share it along with their families.